This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Maryland Pavilion at Bio International 2017 in San Diego. I have with me Favio Lopez from Trideum Biosciences. It's a private company. Favio, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
It's good to have you. Let's get started with an overview of the company, and we'll go from there.
Well, let me tell you a little about Trideum Biosciences. It's a small business located in Frederick, Maryland. We've been in business for the last 3 years, and our specialty is preclinical CRO as a contract research organization. Our work is primarily in infectious diseases and primarily helping companies take technology, whether it's diagnostic or therapeutic, and in some cases also medical devices, and helping them improve their technology over time. We're award-winning. We publish, whether it's the Military Health Resource Symposium. So this last year we received an award from the Journal of Wound Care Therapy in UK for Best Innovation Award in North America. We've been very successful working with international companies as well as American companies and universities, doing consultation and really trying to help them with their products. And what we're doing is providing them services. We're not producing products. We're not producing pharmaceuticals, and so really we're an independent lab.
In actuality, it sounds to me like you're consultants.
We are, and we pride ourselves in our independence.
So, give me an example of one of your successful, company comes to you, we need help, and you help them. Give me an example.
So the best example was the award we received this last year in 2017. And for various reasons, we're under non-disclosure agreements with most of our companies because they have technologies that they don't want to share because they are, in many cases, preclinical. But in this case, we took a device 18 months ago that our scientists said, look, this isn't doing what it needs to do. And over the 18-month period, work with them to the point where now they have investors investing in the technology and taking it to clinical trials and actually moving it ahead. And that success story is repeated, but again, unfortunately, in many cases, we're under NDA. Our scientists publish. They publish their papers, and you can look under Trideum Biosciences and find those publications through the various journals and peer-reviewed articles.
So technically, an inventor comes to you, and you may be there to help them either commercialize it or fundamentally change an internal material in it to make it more beneficial. I mean, an example, you go from metal to plastic. I'm just throwing it out at you.
Exactly. So let's say that you have a desire, you have a technology, you have whether it's a medical device or a drug, and you say, look, I think it does this. What we help you is on the design of experiments. We help you define what your objectives might be. We sort of scope the work, and better yet, one of the things we do, we work within your budget. Not everybody has $1 million, $2 million, $10 million. You might only have 10,000, and we work within the budgets of that inventor to help them get to the next level. And over time, we build confidence in the research, but more importantly, what we do is we help them define what their product can do, so that when they take it to clinical, or they say, look, this isn't really going to do what it needs to do, they know what the decision is that they need to make based on the research.
How was this company founded? What was the purpose of it?
Okay, so Trideum Biosciences is a wholly owned subsidiary of Trideum Corporation. Trideum Corporation is the Defense Department contractor. The owner of Trideum Corporation has a real deep desire to help people. And he feels that not only is he helping the nation through the defense side, but he has a real love for biotechnology. Through really serendipity, we found our scientists through work, and we started 3 years ago with really a lab of 3 people in a small office. We now have up to 9 people working in 3 different lab spaces in Frederick, Maryland. And the desire is how do we help other people solve problems?
So how do people find you?
So to date, it's been word of mouth. And most of our work to date has been setting up the conditions for the lab so that we can come to shows like this and then show what have we done. Most of it has been through our publications, through abstract reviews, but we're at the point right now that we have a website, trideumbiosciences.com, and people can contact us through that website right now.
Favio, why Maryland?
So It's fairly simple. Maryland's a great state. It's a great place to do business. We've been doing business in Maryland since 2005 when the original company was founded. And frankly, the core that we're in is full of biotech companies. So we're very happy with our partnership with Maryland. We're happy that they've helped us grow, and we're looking to continue that partnership.
Let's get your website out there for more information, if you would.
Okay. It's www.tridiumbiosciences.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Favio Lopez, Trideum Biosciences. It's a private company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive, and we're coming to you live from the Maryland Pavilion on the floor of Bio International 2017 here in San Diego. Favio, let me thank you for coming on.
Thank you for your time.